Hi, my name is James Hale. I'm here at Trinity Grammar School. I'm one of the chaplains here, and I'm also head of religious education. World religions is something we study at school. We do it in Year 9, and we also do it in Year 10. And it's something I felt that we weren't doing as well as we could do. We do Christianity, and we do Judaism quite well, but I feel like we really need to work on Islam, Hinduism, and Buddhism in particular. There's something of weakness in my school, mostly because as a Christian person myself, I can only do so much justice to teaching those particular topics. So having a company like Vyatra come in to help us to teach these units has been really quite incredible for us. It's meant that we have had the opportunity to have cultural exchange from schools in India with the schools from students from my school as well. It's meant that they've been to learn about the cultures, like different culture within India, for example, learning about the festivals, learning about life, what life's like in particular parts of India. And I think for our students, it's learned that there are quite different students or quite different people around the world. Yeah. Most of our students are not religious per se, and so having this more engaging and more real encounter with Hinduism was really profound for our students. Vyatra is amazing. I have nothing bad to say about Vyatra. I think they are really easy to work with. They are happy to go with things that you think are going to be useful. They're happy to propose things. They do most of the work in the background, so it's really easy for teachers and schools to work with. And I think they're very flexible, which is great. I think they're able to tailor something that's going to work for the school and for the student body that you have. So we're really excited about 2025. We're going to roll out more of this. So as well as doing 8s, we're going to try and do 9s and 10s. And our hope is to do an experience looking at Islam and also looking at Buddhism as well.